Hey everybody, so we're at the beach again, and since I have turned in my book to the editor, by the way, today's day 17 and 18. Since I turned in my book to the editor, I now have to wait, and I've been so busy, worky, that waiting is not coming easy to me. And here I am at the beach, and I thought I would tell you about it, because that's part of the process. Once you turn your work in, then you have to wait. So we wait, and I decided to wait on the beach. Now today is 106, which means the index is probably in the 20s at the beach, so that's kind of lovely. We are waiting on the editor. When I submitted, I was told it would be less than 9 days. I'm hoping for around 5, but I have to just wait. I'm getting my thoughts together for the next one. I think I know where I'm going with it, but I'm somewhat leaning toward a fiction as well. Did my pull-ups, did quite a bit of swimming here a minute ago. And I'll do my curl-ups and my squats when I get back. And then I will edit this and upload it. And on we go with our 30-day vlog. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for your encouragement. And keep pushing forward for change. And I want to hear about your goals. I've had 3 people reach out to me recently with their goals, and it's very, very exciting. We're working together, helping to encourage each other, pushing forward for change. And she's working on her Arabic. So guess what? I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.